Okay, this is the next in line, the problems that we've been doing in Unit 3. This one has to do with finding the molar mass of a formula. Okay, so we're counting moles like we did on a previous assignment or practice. And so I'm going to give you a formula. We'll do it really simple to begin with, NaCl. So if I have 1 mole of NaCl, I have 1 mole of Na, and I have 1 mole of chlorine. So we know what 1 mole is equal to. We did that on the previous assignment, that if we just look on the periodic table, it tells us what 1 mole is equal to. So if we know what 1 mole is equal to, then we multiply it by its weight. And so sodium is 22.99 grams per mole. The moles cancel, since we're multiplying. We end up with 22.99 grams. Chlorine is 35.45 grams per mole. We'll get that off the periodic table. Moles cancel. Guess what? We end up with 35.45 grams. If we want to find the molar mass of NaCl, we add these two up because they have 1 mole of each. And when we add them up, we're going to go ahead and get our answer. Okay? So on this one, it's going to come up and add up to be 58.44 grams. And that's the molar mass simply of NaCl. So if we have to do one that's a little bit more difficult in our counting, I'm not going to make it too difficult, but if we have FeNO3 and we count atoms, we have 1 mole of this whole thing. What's the molar mass of it? So again, we're finding molar mass. We would go ahead and say we've got 1 iron, we've got 2 nitrogens, and then the 2 times 3 is the multiplying, so we got 6 oxygens. We'll want to do that since it's moles. We're going to go ahead and multiply like we did on the previous one. And for iron, it's going to be 55.85. Nitrogen, 28.02, since there's 2 of them. And oxygen, if you look up oxygen, it's 16, so that would be 96. We add them up, and this is, again, how you would do molar mass. Okay, so that's how you do what's called find molar mass. If you want to do an example, I'm going to go ahead, have you do an example. Again, not too difficult to do. Let's do CaClO3 parentheses. So if you want to go ahead and do that one, and then I will go ahead and show the work. Okay, so this is what you would come up for an answer. It'd be 171.53.